Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset a brake indicator of a BMW 3 Series. It's an F30 model, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the sign on your dashboard that says that the brake pads or something with the brakes has to be done. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support. Any questions, any comments are welcome. Use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. It's a 2014 BMW 3 Series F30 model. As we start the car, as you can see, this indicator doesn't go away even if I put the handbrake down. And as you can see over here, it says something has to be done with the braking system. I checked the system and I saw that the brake pads on the front wheel were torn out and the indicator on the front wheel had to be replaced. One tip for all, if you want to change the brake pads and the indicator isn't torn out or isn't due to change it anyway, because if you don't change the indicator of the brake pads, you cannot reset this light. It is for the front side and for the back side. So change always, when changing the brake pads, the indicator for the brake pads has to be changed, otherwise you cannot reset this side. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can reset this. Turn out the engine must be off, turn the ignition on, wait a bit that the sign over here goes away. One moment. Or you can press it away like this. Yes, once the complete odometer or the total kilometer is visible, press this button, keep pressing that till a menu appears on the dashboard like this. And once you are here, you can scroll through the menu for the service needed. And we change the front brake pads over here. Once you are there, press again, keep pressing that, let go when it says perform reset, and press again. And once you have done that, the indicator must disappear. And when you start the car, as you can see, the indicator is gone and the sign on our navigation system is also gone, like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you to reset the indicator for the brake pads. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.